This is the resistor. It has four color bands. First color band is brown, second is black, third is black, fourth is gold. The fourth one is tolerance band, third one is multiplier band. Now I am resistor value finding by color code chart and digital multimeter. The first band is brown, second is black, third one is black, and fourth one is gold. Brown value is 1, black value is 0. In multiplier, the black value is 1. The gold tolerance is plus or minus 5%. Therefore, 10 plus or minus 5% is equal to 10 ohm plus or minus 5%. The theoretical value is equal to R is equal to 10 ohm. By digital multimeter value is, let's check by resistor value by multimeter. The multimeter shows 10.2 ohms. The theoretical value of resistor is 10 ohm, but the digital multimeter value is 10.2 because of the tolerance value is plus or minus 5%. That's why it is showing 10.2 ohm. This is another resistor. It is also having four color bands. First one is red, second one is red, third one is red, and fourth one is gold. By theoretically, I am finding red, gold. Red value is 2, red value is 2. The multiplier red value is 10 to the power of 2, and gold is tolerance is plus or minus 5%. Therefore, 22 into 10 to the power of 2 plus or minus 5%. Therefore, theoretical value R is equal to 2.2 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. I am checking by digital multimeter. Let's see by digital multimeter. The digital multimeter shows 2.16 kilo ohm. Therefore, digital multimeter value is equal to R is equal to 2.16 kilo ohm. Because the resistor theoretical value is 2.2 kilo ohm, and by digital multimeter value is 2.16 kilo ohm. Why it is because less? Because of tolerance band. That is why it is showing 2.16 kilo ohm.